Nzama ya Magavana Iweta Kana Vena wa Namba Nene ya Amanyiw'A Kuma Misyini ya Ukwati Munini Kunyamaika Itina wa Control of Budget Margaret Nyakang'o Kuweta Kana Selikali Kaunti Iyailite Kunengane Basari mwene kivila wa Nzama Ahmed Abililai ni waweta kana muamulono utona kuvalucha vanene maundu makisomo vala wakulia enende alametelete Basari Kaunti kwithiwa na umisyo Anchelina Musee na Mauvu.
Nene va Kaunti ya Mombasa mwene kivilo wa Nzama ya Magavana Ahmed Abililai Waweta Kana itambe ya controller wa budget ya kuleana na Kaunti Kunengane Basari ni uvikia kutunga Itina maudhuku mi Kaunti ne na mono maundu ni maa kisomo.
The counties that have allocated resources for bursaries, they have gone through the vetting process. They have sent their teams to collect applications. They have vetted and determined who the beneficiaries will be, but they've been stopped in their tracks by the controller of budget. This is a debate that we've had before. At the Council of Governors, we believe that we shouldn't be fighting about functional integrity with respect to the matter of bursaries. We regard bursaries as a welfare matter.
Kuweta Kana Namba Nene ya Amanyiw'A na alametelete kukwata bursaries ini makuvikia kukunika vanene ni Kuma na itambia ye.
We believe it's incumbent on both levels of government to support the needy in the society and see them through their education. And it's in this spirit that county governments have been supporting needy students with bursaries. We had this debate last year, and it really delayed the disbursements of bursaries for financial year 2024-25. At the end, we agreed that we disburse money for that year, and then we do what is called individualized intergovernmental partnership agreements between the Ministry of Education at the national level and individual counties to allow counties to pay bursaries. And all counties signed those IPAs. They signed those intergovernmental partnership agreements, but still we're seeing some roadblock with respect to the same.
Wa makuli enenthi kwithwa na umisyo ni kwithwa ilovia yamba kulichovate na sahi ya controller wa budget Iweta Kana ngusanisyo isi athela makavikia kutetheka.
We may have the budgets, we may have the appropriations done by the assemblies, but we're still unable to pay because the approval is pending from the control of budgets. As chair and as an executive of the council, I will be engaging with COB to try and unlock, but I want the public in Mombasa and in all the other affected counties to be understanding it is not their governors that are delaying the bursaries. The bursaries are delaying because approval is not forthcoming from the control of budgets.
Ngilivotea vilingwa mauvo Kuma Kaunti ya Mombasa nita wa Anchelina Musee.